Hello from CFT. We had mentioned on the 26th up here, this could be a B wave ending. We did get a sell signal on stocks the next day, which ushered in the decline for the red wave C as shown. Since then, we have struggled to rally. Our stock indicators have went bearish today. So it looks like stocks want to try the downside, and Bitcoin as well could roll over here. And not sure the exact Elliott Wave count, but it seems like we're looking for some type of pullback in the days ahead. As stated, our indicators on stocks are overbought going into today's close. We think this market could roll over again and test the lows or possibly go to a new low. So we are on the sidelines looking for lower. Dollar continues higher. We wanted to be short this market. We can't get a good sell signal, so we're still on the sidelines. Precious metals are falling because of the strong dollar. Again, we're wanting to be long here, but are not getting a good buy signal, so we're on the sidelines. Thank you.